Hey guys, welcome back to the channel EduCool Zone, and today we are going to learn about operators in C, which is one of the last topic in C tokens. So let's get started. So what is an operator? Before understanding what an operator is, let us understand what an expression is. So if I write something like A is equals to A plus B, this I can call it as an expression. Okay. This entire thing is nothing but an expression. So what is an expression? Expression is a combination of operator and operand. So expression is nothing but a combination of operator and operand. Which is an operator in this entire expression? So this plus is nothing but an operator. So this A and B, which is participating in this expression, is nothing but an operand. So combination of this operator and operand is nothing but an expression. So we have 7 types of operator. The first one is arithmetic operator, increment decrement operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and special operator. So this plus symbol comes in arithmetic operator, as you can see over here, plus, minus, modulus, division, star, which we are going to go through in a moment. So let's get started. In this program, I have initialized two variables, which is a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, and I am adding these both. This is by using this plus operator. Plus operator is nothing but an arithmetic operator. So let's discuss what an arithmetic operator is. Arithmetic operator involves all the algebraic operator which you have come across. Plus does addition. So if I run this code, I'll get output 30, which is the summation of A10 and B20. It is doing that because I'm using the operator plus over here. Okay. So what is minus? Minus is nothing but subtraction, which is normal in an algebra. So if I give subtraction over here, which is one of the arithmetic operation, we get minus 10. Well, 10 minus 20 is nothing but minus 10, which is correct output. So if I give division, so first let's take division over here. So I'll give b divided by a and print it. It should give 2 because 20 divided by 10 gives us 2 as a quotient. So if you want to remember this, the division operator, this slash operator, backslash operator, gives us, sorry, not backslash, it's a forward slash operator, gives us quotient after the division. Okay. Now coming to the modulus operator, which is nothing but a percent. So if I give a modulus operator over here and run it, the output is going to be 0 because 20 divided by 10 does not have any remainder. So this modulus operator gives us a remainder after the division. Okay. This is the work of this modulus operator. Next, coming to the star operator. The star operator is used for multiplication. So it's going to multiply 10 into 20, which is going to give us 200 as an output. That's all. So these are the uses of arithmetic operator. We are going to use this frequently in our problems. So that's all, guys. We are going to cover the next increment and decrement operator in the next class. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to EduCool Zone. Bye. Have a nice day.